1, 2, 3. Baguio City.
Yo, what's up?
Hindi natin bawasan pag-i-English natin.
Sige.
Mabuhay! Girl, alam mo, kailangan ko magpaayos naman yung buko. Okay na yun. Hi! I'm Krisha.
And I'm Lore.
And we're Team Fabulous! And this is our audition for
The Amazing Race Season 2!
I'm in the hospitality industry.
Ako naman, I'm a nurse by profession.
But we're passionate about beauty and fashion. Therefore, pareho kaming freelance makeup artist.
We've been doing makeup since last year.
Yeah, as a team.
Yeah, as a team.
As a team.
So, we've been a team for almost a year now.
So, sanay na kami sa isa't isa and how we do things.
Yeah.
Although, we seem na parang super arte, into beauty.
So superficial. No. No.
If there's another thing that ties Lore and us together, it's our love for adventure. As
super.
I swear, it's not all talk. Ako And pati si Lore, parang we do anything for the sake of adventure.
If you ask our friends kung sino yung pinaka most likely na
to jump off a cliff.
Well, kaming dalawa na yun.
Kaya this is actually one of the many reasons why we want to join. Kasi, yun nga, we may not seem like adrenaline junkies na we're all go for adventure. Kasi we want to prove our friends and our family wrong.
Especially my family. Kasi feeling nila we're so prissy.
Yeah, actually totoo.
Mga divas.
Lalo na only girl pa ako. So parang feeling nila talagang
yeah, we want to prove them wrong.
Na hindi ko to gagawin. But no, I want to show them na, yun, there's more to us than meets the eye. Super, we're willing to do anything. Yeah. Actually, gusto ko
the
talaga.
Deepest ocean.
Skydiving, kung meron, I swear, game ako.
Kaming dalawang gagawa ng skydiving for you.
Actually, kami ni Lore, separately with our families, we love to travel na.
But now, gusto namin mag-travel together
and
around
this is
the Philippines.
Perfect opportunity to do so.
We've been looking for the perfect partners.
Yeah, separately, nung hindi pa kami magkakilala. And then, lo and behold, we found each other. Pareho kaming adventure seekers. And
perfect combination.
And what perfect place na malabas namin yung pagka-adrenaline junkie namin than in The Amazing Race.
This game, yo!
Yeah, we really hope you choose us.
Yes, please! Kasi it's gonna be a dream come true.
Yeah, no? Super. I know itong opportunity na to, it only comes once. And I hope this is our chance. Even though it's hard, alam namin it's gonna be fun. So yeah, please choose us. Please! Team Fabulous!
Team Fabulous for the win!
See
you! Bye!